Welcome to GOA 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expands his cabinet. At least 43 new ministers named. Some old faces including Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Prakash Javadekar, Ravi Shankar Prasad dropped. Opposition plants trees in potholes to wake the government on Giri to Panji Road as GOA 365 continues to highlight road situations in the state. Goans get ready for heavy rain with lightning and thunder from 9th to 11th July. Now the news in detail. The Cabinet cleared a new scheme to provide relief to COVID-affected families and businesses on Wednesday. It also cleared the reduction in government rent for towers to be erected in rural areas given the connectivity issues faced by the students studying online during the pandemic.
Students in Goa, especially in rural areas, are facing a hard time as classes are online. Students in villages have to walk quite a long while to catch the range so they can attend the online classes. To facilitate online studies and encourage cell phone companies to set up towers in remote areas, companies have to pay only 10% of the total rent initially for 5 years. And in the next year, it will be 25%. In rural areas, companies will pay 5,000 rupees per month, while in other areas, companies will have to pay 50,000 rupees per month.
Tower policy जे आमचे रेंट आशिल्लें ते रुरल एरियेन जेंकां टॉवर्स बसोवपाचे आसा ते फॉर इनिशियली ज्या ह्या वर्सान कोण बसयतलो ताका फक्त 10% ऑफ द रेंट आसतलें इनिशियली फॉर द 5 years कारण रिमोट विलेजींनी टॉवर बसोवपा खातीर कोण फुडें येना पूण आमी डिसिजन घेतला एट प्रेजेंट गव्हर्मेंटान जे रेंट फिक्स केला ताचे ओन्ली 10% रेंट दिवपाचें तेणी आनी पयल्या 5 वर्सां खातीर आनी आफ्टर दॅट इट वील बी द 25% इन रिमोट विलेजीस डिसायड केल्ले आहा त्या विलेजींनी इट इज एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 50,000 इन एंटायर म्हणजे प्रत्येक खंयसरूय गोंयांत घातल्यार 50,000 एप्रॉक्सिमेटली कितें तरी आशिल्लें पर मंथ आशिल्लें तें पर मंथ आशिल्लें हय त्या खातीर ते रुरल एरियांनी ज्यो रुरल एरिया आयडेंटिफायड आसात पंचायतींनी टॉवर घालपा खातीर फुडें येवचे म्हणून ते 5,000 केल्ले आसा वीच इज नॉट एफोर्डेबल कारण ताका थंयसर कनेक्शन्स ती बिजनेस थंय मेळना आनी कनेक्टिविटीचो अजुनूय प्रॉब्लेम जायत आसा आतां पर्यंत 144 लोकांनी कनेक्शना खातीर एप्लाय केल्ले आसा म्हणजे टॉवरा खातीर एप्लाय केल्ले आसा ताका डायरेक्टली पयलीं PWDच्या वतीन फक्त NOC म्हणून दिली वताली ते आतां डायरेक्ट PWDच्या वतीन ताका परमिशन्स दिले वयतले डायरेक्ट परमिशन इन गव्हर्मेंट लँड आतां प्रायवेट लँड कोणा कडेन आहा तेंच्यांनी ते नेगोशिएट्स करचे रुरल एरिया आयडेंटिफायड आसात PWD कडेन त्या रुरल एरियांनी आमी फक्त 144 आतां पर्यंत एप्लाय केला आमचें म्हणणें आसा आमी तांकां रुरल एरियांनी घालपाकूय अजून इन्सिस्ट करीत आसा.
Chief Minister has announced a 2 lakh rupee ex gratia for the families whose earning members have become victims of the pandemic. Income limit of 8 lakh rupees have been set and the scheme has been notified. Chief Minister also announced a one-time relief of 5,000 rupees for the marginalized and unorganized sector who have lost their livelihood due to COVID-19 pandemic, which includes rickshaw drivers, motorcycle pilots and etc.
Scheme for the providing ex gratia financial assistance to the family of the victim of the COVID-19 2 lakhs rupees ex gratia आमी दिवपाचें थारायलें तेजें इनकम कितें आशिल्लें न्ही आतां फॅमिलीचें इनकम कितें जाल्लें आहा पळय न्ही रे तेका तो इनकम कितलें नो आतां आफ्टर डॅट ताज्या उपरांत ताज्या फॅमिलीचो इनकम कितें जाला तें म्हत्वाचें आसा. COVID-19 रिलीफ टू द मार्जिनलायज्ड एंड अनऑर्गनायज्ड सेक्टर हू हॅव लॉस्ट देयर लायव्हलीहुड्स ड्यू टू द पॅन्डेमीक ताच्या खातीर ही नवीन स्कीम आसा जे सगळे रिक्षाकार पायलट इवन दो NMR वर्कर्स जे पंचायतीनी NMR रजिस्टर्ड आसा बरो सगळे वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीचे जेंचो लायव्हलीहूड लॉस जाल्लो आसा तांच्या खातीर वन टायम तांकां रिलीफ दिवपा खातीर एक सिंपल फॉर्म आसतलो तो भरून दिवपाचो तांकां 5,000 रुपीज सिंगल ही तांकां वतली एप्रॉक्सिमेटली आमचो अंदाज आसा एक 25,000 ते 30,000 लोकांक ह्या स्किमीचो बेनिफीट मेळपाक शकता कितले जाण फॉर्म भरून दिता तेजेर डिपेंड आसा. ट्रेडिशनल ऑक्युपंट लिस्ट आसा सोशल वेलफेरा कडेन ते सगळे जाण आयले रिक्षाकार आयले इवन दो पायलट आयले सिंगल ड्रिवन टॅक्सी आयले आनी ताज्या व्यतिरिक्त आमी एड केल्या भितर NMR वर्कर्स जे जेंकां फाटले वर्सभर पंचायतींनी NMR म्हणून रजिस्टर्ड आशिल्ले बट तांकां काम मेळूना हे आयलें. हे खंय तरी जे लिस्टेड आसा अशा पद्दतीचे वेळ पडल्यार तांच्या एसोसिएशना कडल्यान तांची लिस्ट घेतली वयतली आनी तांकां बेनिफिट्स दिलो वयतलो.
Cabinet highlights. Approval for testing at borders for COVID. Expenditure section for Cyclone Taukte. Hostel facility for special children in Asta Society in Khorlim. Post facto approval for remediation work at Sosoro. Amendment in Goa Waste Management Act 2016. Cabinet highlights. Post facto approval for 1.11 crore rupees grant in aid for Comunidad Administrator salary. Contractual appointments of Kisan Mitra in Agriculture Department. Approval for extension in period of Sainik Welfare Superintendent. Post facto approval for the recruitment in health services through GHRDC. Removing Daman and Diu titles from acts and retaining only Goa in acts. A research check for Goa 365 from Porvorim.
The new cabinet member of National Democratic Alliance have been declared. Maharashtra BJP MP Narayan Rane, Assam former Chief Minister Sarvanand Sonowal, former Congress MP who joined BJP Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, Lok Janashakti Rebel leader Pashupati Paras and Apna Dal's Anupriya Patel are a part of the cabinet.
Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, Sadanand Gowda, Labour Minister Santosh Gangwar, Union Social Law Minister Thawarchand Gehlot and few more ministers were dropped while Hardeep Puri, Anurag Thakur, G. Kishan Reddy, Kiran Rijiju, Mansukh Mandavia and Purushottam Rupala have been promoted.
D.V. Sadananda Gowda, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Shri Thawarchand Gehlot, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Dr. Harshvardhan, Shri Prakash Javadekar, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar, Shri Babul Supriyo, Shri Dhotre Sanjay Shamrao, Shri Ratan Lal Kataria, Shri Pratap Chandra Sarangi, Sushri Debashri Chaudhary.
There are ST-SC leaders in cabinet expansion of Modi government. There will be 12 ministers in scheduled tribe, 2 will get cabinet berth, 27 ministers will be from OBC including 5 cabinet ministers. There are 13 lawyers, 6 doctors, 5 engineers and 7 civil servants.
Sushant Gawas for Goa 365 with inputs from DD. We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. We are planting trees in potholes to wake the government. Opposition NCP said planting trees on the Giri service road. From Panji to various talukas, road are ridden with potholes. Here's more.
Yesterday we showed you a pothole road from Kortalim to Bambolim. Now take a look at the dilapidated condition of the road at Girim. Hot mixing has taken place at various places and mud has been dumped along the road. The potholes indicate there is no proper coordination in the various departments. We are planting trees on the road so the government can notice it, NCP Sanjay Bharde said.
सरकार बीजेपीची आसा आमी खंय तरी धोको खंयसर तरी आसा पूण आमी झाड लायलेले आसा माडाक गवत करणारे सरकार माडाक गवत करणारे हे सरकार आयज आमी गवत लावना आमी झाड लायलेले आमी गवताक गवतूच म्हणटले झाडाक झाडूच म्हणटले.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Porvorim.
Goa reported 3 COVID-related deaths and 192 positives from 5,022 tests. India also reported 43,733 new COVID-19 cases and 930 deaths in the last 24 hours. With this, the total number of COVID-19 cases have reached to 3.6 crore and the death toll has surged to 4,04,211.
The country's active caseload stands at 4,59,920. A net decline of 4,437 is witnessed in last 24 hours and active cases are now only 1.50% of the country's total positive cases. 2.97 crore people have recovered from COVID-19 till date, and 47,240 patients have recovered in last 24 hours. This constitutes an overall recovery rate of 97.18%. Weekly positivity rate is currently at 2.39%, while the daily positivity rate stands at 2.29% today. Daily positivity rate has remained less than 3% for 16 consecutive days now, and has remained below 5% less for a month. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant announced that state has administered COVID-19 vaccine to 10 lakh people, which contributes 76% of Goan population. Government is still hopeful to cover 100% population with first dose of vaccination by 30th July and fully vaccinate Goa by end of October, Chief Minister said.
गोंयान खूब खोस भोगता हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, आमचे नर्सिंग पॅरामेडिकल डॉक्टर्स हांच्या सगळ्यांच्या सहकार्यान आमी जवळपास 10,06,834 वॅक्सिनेशन पुराय केल्लें आसा. तेजे भितर आमी म्हटलेलें की 30 जुलय पर्यंत आमी 100% फर्स्ट डोस ऑफ वॅक्सिनेशन पुराय करतले. फर्स्ट डोस ऑफ वॅक्सिनेशन घेवपी 8,66,730 हे फर्स्ट डोस ऑफ वॅक्सिनेशन गोंयान घेवपी लोक आसा, विच इज एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 76% ऑफ द पॉप्युलेशन जेंच्यांनी फर्स्ट डोस ऑफ वॅक्सिनेशन घेतले. उरलेल्या 15 दिसांनी आमचो टार्गेट आसा उरलेले 24% ऑफ द वॅक्सिनेशन. हाज्या व्यतिरिक्त थोड्या जाणांनी कदाचित भायरूय बी वॅक्सिनेशन घेतला आसूं शकता. जो कोण जॉबाक भायर आसलो आनी कितें आसलो थंयसरूय तेंच्यांनी वॅक्सिनेशन घेतला आसूं शकता, म्हणून हाजी पर्संटेज हाज्या पेक्षा थोडीशी चड आसतली. बट आमी टार्गेट दवरला की 100% फर्स्ट डोस ऑफ द वॅक्सिनेशन 30th कंप्लीट करपाची. आमची वॅक्सिनेशनची टीम खंयच्या तालुक्यान उरल्या, खंयच्या पंचायतींनी उरल्या ते आयडेंटिफाय करीत आसा आनी त्या लोकां कडेन फर्स्ट डोस ऑफ दिवपाचो सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसा. जेंचे 84 days कंप्लीट जाल्या तांच्यांनी सेकंड डोस घेवपाकूय सुरवात करचो. फर्स्ट डोस जे कोण उरल्या तेंच्यांनी फर्स्ट डोस घेवचो, जेणे करून वॅक्सिनेशन 100% वॅक्सिनेशन आमकां जाता तितके बेगीन पुराय करपाक जाय. टिका उत्सव 3 हो 3.2 कंप्लीट जेन्ना जातलो तेन्ना दोनूय डोस कंप्लीट जातलो. म्हाज्या अंदाजान इट वील टेक अनदर 2 months, म्हणजे ऑगस्ट सप्टेंबर हे लास्ट 30th ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत म्हज्या अंदाजान 3.2 टिका उत्सव कंप्लीट जातलो. 30th ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत जाव येता, हेवटेन थोडे जाण उरतले. आतां पर्यंत आमी सगळ्या जाणांक रिक्वेस्ट करीत आसा की तेंच्यांनी बेगिनात बेगीन आनी कंपल्सरी घेवचे. घेवंक ना तांकां अजून कंपल्सरी म्हणजे आमी विचार करीत आसा.
It's Sheikh for Goa 365 from Purhuri.
The tradition of traditional farming is disappearing. Farmers have given up farming in the last 4 to 5 years. However, there are some exceptions. In Talegaon, farmers have cultivated paddy fields opposite St. Michael's School. There are few problems, but still they have not given up cultivating their fields.
These farmers used to cultivate paddy in rains and summer. Now they are cultivating paddy only in the rains. There is a problem of garbage. Also, the miscreants drink liquor at this place and flung empty bottles in the field. There are possibilities that one can get injured to broken glasses in the field. However, they have still not given up agriculture.
आमकां हिंगा खूब त्रास जाता. हे लोक हाडून कचरो उडयता, बाटल्यो उडयता आनी ते काडपाक आमकां खूब त्रास जाता. आनी हितून आमकां गव्हर्मेंटाची कांय हें ना, फॅसिलिटी ना, कांय ना, हेल्प ना, कांय ना. सगळे आमकां त्रास काडचे पडटा. सायक्लोनाचे आमकां कांय ना, पूण हिंगा उदक भरून उदक हे जावन सगळे त्रास जाताले. सगळे शेत रोयलेले ते सगळे कुसोन गेले, सगळे पिडेर.
म्हणून रातचे कोण मारता आनी ते दिंपाचे पियेता आनी तूं आतां गाडी घेवन उबो रावलो आनी तूं गाडयेर जावन पियलो आनी सकयल उडयले जाल्यार तुज्यानी आमच्यान नांव सांगूंक ना. गिमचे पिकाक रोयना कित्याक कोंबच्यो मारता, कितें रातचे मागीर हें जाता न्हू,
बॉटल फोडटा.
हय थंय रोवंक मेळना तुका. आतां पावसान कितें करता, पावसान मातशें हें रोखता, हें इतलेंच चरवो घालतात इतलोच तो तेन्नाय म्हणून ते मातशें कोण खामेऱ्यांक हें जाता ना त्रास.
ते कचरो लोक सगळो उडयता, हांगा पिता, बाटल्यो काडटा, शेतांनी उडयता. प्रॉब्लेम जाता, ह्या शेताक प्रॉब्लेम जाता. मागीर सगळो कचरो मागीर ते पावसान फुडें वयता. तसो गिमांनी अशे खूब म्हशी येता. आमी हांगा रातची न्हिदता,
राखता तुमी ते?
राखता कित्याक येपार घालून फायदो कांय ना न्हू, सगळे म्हशी येवन खाता म्हणून आमी ह्या वर्सा आमी हें केलें, सोरी मारलेली.
Amar Chowriya for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Thunderstorms accompanied by lightning, gusty winds and heavy rains very likely at isolated places on 7th and 8th July. Also, Heavy rain very likely at isolated places from 9th to 11th July. Farmers Bulletin, North Goa. Light to moderate rainfall very likely at many places on 7th July. Moderate to heavy rainfall very likely at most places on 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th July. South Goa. Light to moderate rainfall very likely at many places on 7th July. Moderate to heavy rainfall very likely at most places on 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th July. Weather warning, North Goa. Heavy rain very likely at isolated places on 7th and 8th July. Thunderstorms accompanied by lightning, gusty winds very likely at isolated places on 7th, 8th July. Heavy to very heavy rain very likely at isolated places on 9th, 10th and 11th July 2021. South Goa. Heavy rain very likely at isolated places on 7th and 8th July. Thunderstorms accompanied by lightning, gusty winds very likely at isolated places on 7th, 8th July. Heavy to very heavy rain very likely at isolated places on 9th, 10th and 11th July. Warning up to 75 kilometers. Strong wind with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour, likely to prevail over North Maharashtra coast on 9th and 11th July. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas. Warning for South Maharashtra Goa coast up to 75 km from the coast. Beyond 75 km from the coast. Strong winds with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour, likely to prevail over North Arabian Sea and adjoining Gujarat coast from 9th July to 11th July. Beyond 75 km from the coast. Strong winds with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour, likely to prevail over southwest and west central Arabian Sea from 7th July to 11th July. Beyond 75 km from the coast. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour, to prevail over southeast Arabian Sea, Kerala Karnataka coast and adjoining Lakshadweep and Comorian area from 8th July to 11th July. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas. Panji City, 24 hours, generally cloudy sky, a few spells of rain, short intense spells very likely. Maximum and minimum temperatures likely to be around 32 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. 48 hours, generally cloudy sky, a few spells of rain, short intense spells very likely. Maximum and minimum temperature likely to be around 32 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. Mormugao City, 24 hours, generally cloudy sky, a few spells of rain, short intense spells very likely. Maximum and minimum temperature likely to be around 32 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. 48 hours, generally cloudy sky, a few spells of rain, short intense spells very likely. Maximum and minimum temperature likely to be around 32 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. Goa 365 Bureau with inputs from IMD. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV or download our app which is available on both Android and iPhone to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.